Hi guys, welcome to VAC weekly video tutorial. On today's video segment, I'll be teaching you guys how to fund your binary account with your local Nigerian bank account. On today's video, I'm going to base it on Nigerians and also other African countries. You can also follow the same process. First of all, let's log into our binary account. Log into your browser, then go to binary.com. Just follow the same process. It's very easy. It takes only few minutes for your account to be credited. Click on the menu icon, then you click on Cashier. Then you can click on deposit. There are two options here: payment agent and bank wire, credit card, e-wallet. Then you click on the first at the top, deposit. Now you can select any payment option. Now I'm going to select Nigerian bank transfer. Then you click on it. Then you can enter the amount in Naira and the approximate amount figure will display on dollar. So for example, I want to fund it okay. Then you click next. Then you click on click here to choose. Then you select any bank of your choice. Right now I'm going to use First Bank, so I will pay the money through First Bank. Then you click on pay. Click proceed. Now I will enter my account number. For security reason, I'm going to pause this video. So you enter your account number, then you press continue, then you'll be directed to this section. Then an OTP will be sent to your register phone number 6295577. Then you click on save for future payment, then you can click continue. Payment completed. You can see now the money has appeared. Now for you to transfer the money to MT5, if you want to transfer your funds to MT5 and start trading volatility index, then you come back to this place again. You click on the funds, click on it, then you click on MetaTrader. Click on MetaTrader. Now then you enter the complete amount in USD. Let's check so we can transfer the funds from our binary account to MT5. 49.79. Now I'm going to take it from there. 49.79. Then you click on yeah 49.79. then you click on transfer to MT5. Done. You can see the money has appeared. This is MT5 account. Let's take a look at our MT5. Alright guys, just follow the same process. In case it is your first time, you first enter your ATM information on your binary account, then you can proceed with the payment option and the rest. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative video, and you can also join us on Telegram and our WhatsApp channels for more updates. Thank you all. Love you guys.